Hey everyone, today I'm reviewing the BLACK+DECKER 12-cup mill and brew coffee maker. And let me tell you, if you love the smell of freshly ground coffee in the morning, this machine is a game changer. It grinds whole beans fresh for every brew, and you can choose between using whole beans or pre-ground coffee depending on your preference. Filling the water is super easy with the top-loading reservoir. No mess, no awkward angles. It also has a built-in timer, so you can set it the night before and wake up to the smell of coffee already brewing. One of my favorite features is that it even tells you how long ago it finished brewing, great for knowing if the coffee is still fresh. And yes, it makes a full 12-cup pot, perfect for a family or caffeine-loving household. The taste? Smooth, rich, and fresh, just like you'd want. Overall, the Black+Decker Mill and Brew is a great product, simple to use, easy to clean, and packed with features that make your mornings effortless. Highly recommend it.
Alright, first time using it, fresh out the box. And I used the carafe to put water in the reservoir, which is now leaking everywhere. I did not put it over the hole, you can hear it. Well, alright. There you go. I brewed it once to clean out the dust, just like the instructions say. And now it's just leaking water all over the place. It started off all the way up at 12, and it keeps leaking out, and you can hear it pour out. Fresh out the box. Brewed once. Not coffee grounds, just water.